How to uninstall a wheel guard. You're going to need a screwdriver. Proceed by removing the round nut and the clamping flange from your angle grinder. And then using your screwdriver, you're going to loosen that screw. Once you've done that, you are going to turn the wheel guard in a clockwise fashion until it's able to lift up. And that's how you uninstall your wheel guard. So the wheel guard has a bump on one end, as you can see, and the angle grinder where the wheel guard fits has a small groove on that end. So to install, you match those parts and then you turn it anti-clockwise until the position that you want your angle grinder to sit. And then proceed by tightening that screw. Remember to ensure that everything is in place and in the right order, and tighten that screw perfectly. And that's how you install and uninstall your wheel guard. Remember to replace your round nut and your clamping flange so you do not lose them. Thank you for watching.